Just looking at all these birds flying around. I think they're going into these holes in the cliff.
Hundreds.
I don't know if they're really going into the holes or not.
Yes, they are. I'm watching. Oh, maybe.
But either way, it's pretty cool to see them all flying around these cliffs. We're on the Katy Trail, and there's this little fountain, I guess you'd call it.
It says the Missouri, Kansas, Texas lines right there.
Yeah.
On the.
It's referring to the old railroads, I believe.
Can you zoom in on that?
Yep, did.
Wow. Hundreds of swarming birds. At first it was a little scary and overwhelming, and now it's just absolutely cool.
And we are
All over.
right on the
Beautiful
Missouri
water.
River in Rocheport, Missouri.
Absolutely gorgeous. And bikers on the bike trail right in front of us.
Mm-hmm.
Which is really cool. Coming towards us.